Hi, welcome to back my VGR Learner channel. This video is nearly 15 to 20 nearly ChatGPT advanced commanding prompts. This prompts is very useful all levels workers and student level, research level, professional level, teaching level and business level and content creating levels also, blog writing levels also. This is very useful. Which prompt you like this prompt and how many prompts you can daily use this? Please comment and please share. Please subscribe our VGR Learn. This video is long, that's why so fast forward. Don't skip this video. It is very informative. Thank you once again, your VGR Learn. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR Learn. Today topic is the create a sales page. The Learn sales page must ChatGPT prompt personal assistant get instant access as a master refer to ChatGPT prompt techniques and creating professional format prompts in seconds and generating content ideas, script and social media posts. Use ChatGPT productivity, time management, analyzing, creating reports. Build your powerful AI workplace. Save hours, repeat work, improve your quality, accuracy of AS. What is instead 50 powerful ChatGPT prompt ready to use prompt you can copy, customize, and use immediately. Step by step prompt framework. Learn how to structure from produce clear, useful result. Productivity prompt collections. Plan your day, manage tasks, create schedules, set goals, and stay organized. Current creation prompt, business work prompts, student, content creator, professional entrepreneur, beginners, and why chose VGR Learn. Practical training focus real world task instead of unnecessary theory. Ready to use prompts, copy, customize the beginners friendly. This way his output is given. The another prompt was the write a brick launch page. Write a product launch page. Here product launch page. This one content creator, productivity, create idea, business, embark, learning, education. What is you get ready to use ChatGPT for prompt form one? What is product? Forward for student, content creator, professionals, entrepreneur, beginners. Your AI advantage start here. Ready to upgrade ChatGPT skills. Give VGR. Get the VGR Learn Ultimate GPT Prompts Master Pack today. Launch offer. Get instant access. Yeah, Learn AI, create more, work smart. The another prompt is the create launch email series. The create launch email series. The VGR Learn product launch email series is subject something big coming. VGR Learn is the first name with smart way to charge GPT coming. VGR Learn content creator, product, YouTube and social media business learner creators. This way is the email problem. You are getting most of ChatGPT this way. The third solution you need a prompt toolkit this way. You are A to create faster, plan smart, learn efficiently, work with less repetitions. Email 4 is launching day. Get access now. Email benefits. Email urgency. Get access before launching offer in final reminders. This way you can providing emails also. The another prompt was the create uptell ideas. The upsell ideas. Advanced ChatGPT prompt, take your ChatGPT skills next level. The advanced ChatGPT prompts is a $17 a sad advanced pack. You upsell a content creator, create 30 days content with AI. YouTube title, video script, description, short ID, social media post, content calendar, thumbnail concept. A content creator. This way can advertising your business also. It is very useful. The upsell is the 7 modules are there. Ultimate A bundles. You can sell it this way. The another option is the create sell ideas. Cross sell ideas. A image prompt. Add the A image pack. A video prompt pack and YouTube creator toolkit, 100 YouTube title prompt, and video script prompt, description prompt, SEO prompt, thumbnail prompt, short idea, 30 days content calendar, a, a product toolkit, add the product toolkit, 30 days AI content challenge also, cross sell bundles. The another prompt is the create brand story. Create brand story, VGR Learn brand story, technology content creating with AI. Our mission is the Learn was created, make modern technology AI product and digital skills and is understanding easy and to use. The practical, simple and useful. The VGR learn something useful, create something valuable, share to what you learn. This way. Learn with AI, create with AI, work with AI, grow with AI. Practical and simple explanation, creating focus, continuous learning. Our vision, vision is community where you technology not intimidating. Our vision simplify the make technology areas to learn, make AI areas to use, make creative areas to achieve. This is the VGR learning process. Every resource we create aims to deliver three things. Learn understanding technology, creating put knowledge into action. Go to this way. The another prompt is the build and person. Yeah, learn audience, persons. Learn ChatGPT prompt basic, create a better prompt, improve your studies, productivity score, useful tools, problem does not know what you prompt to write. Feel overwhelmed AI tools, need simple practical tutorials. Comment this. In this way, the another prompt is the create customer journey. This create customer journey. Customer sees YouTube videos, AI tips and tutorial short form videos, search results, social media content. This way. The examples is the 10 ChatGPT prompt that save your hours. 5 AI tools for should know to how to use ChatGPT like a pro. Subscribe to VGR Learn. The another prompt was the create marketing plan. Yes, marketing plan. The marketing plan, 90 days marketing plan, prime goal, main target, brand posting, marketing funnel, leading generations, lead generations, nature, email content conversions, upsell, cross-sell, YouTube strategy. The another is the created rental plan. Create a rental plan. Visual and customer retention plan. Retention goals, learn, use, achieve, result, return to recommended, custom retention strategy, welcome emails and goals, quick win goals, customer onboarding this way, weekly engagement, monthly challenges, personalized recommendations. The another prompt is the creating referral programs prompt. The creating referral program to referral program work. Get your referral link. VGR Learn customer receive unique referral link. VGRLearn.com referral Raju 123. Share your link, friends, classmates, colleagues, YouTube viewers, social media, and online. YouTube friends for purchases. You earn rewards, recommended rewards, structure. VGR referral tires level creative one learn a champion VGR learn ambassador this way referral landing pages referral dashboard also. The another prompt is a creative community plan. Yes, creative community plan. The community growth plan is building community, not a just audience. VGR Learn community mission, the community vision and idea community members, community platform structures, community onboarding, weekly community rhythm. This way, you can arrange your programs. The create media list. Create a media list. VGR media list is the main channel VGR Learn, the AI tutorial, ChatGPT, AI tools, productivity, technology to productivity course materials, content formats, and Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and X, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, email itself this way, and blog and websites. The another prompt is the create postings. The creative postings this way you can connect this brand posting plus the welcome to Vijay learn explore AI create work smart brand mission post and brand story post and the another prompt is the create content strategy. This is useful to the YouTubers and content creators. This prompt very useful. In content strategy, build your visual and practical AI technology productivity and create education brand is learn, solo, create, grow. Target audience, student, content creator, professionals, and entrepreneurs. This way, pillar two. This way, content creating. The another prompt was the create growth strategy. Create growth strategy. The VGR Learn growth strategy is the growth vision and your subscribe leads, customers, and retained customers, community members, advocates, and growth goals, primary goals, and growth engaging, attract, engage, capturing, converting, return, referral growth. The another prompt was the create partnership plan. create partnership plan. This create partnership plan is the partnership vision, partnership goals, and idea partner and a creator, calibration technology creator, calibration idea, content creating, educational partner, business partner, calibration ideas, partnership types. This way. The another prompt was the create affiliated program. This is also useful as the your YouTubers is the this command also very useful. You observe this. This VGR Learn affiliated program is learn, share, earn. Affiliated program goals, affiliated follow, discover, share, referral, learn, grow. Who can become affiliated? Those technology channels and YouTubers, blogs, social media, teaching and training. This way, the 1 to 10 qualified sales month and 20% commission, growth affiliated, pro affiliated, and affiliated benefits. The another prompt was the create ad campaign plan. Create ad campaign plan. Campaign ads, land page, free resources, email priority, upsells, objects, brand answering, leading generations, and product sale, target audience, and content creating. The another prompt was the